If you're looking to tap into email marketing, this is the most important video that you are going to watch because I'm going to go over if you're e-com or lead gen, what are the best email softwares for you to automate your email marketing and stop delaying email marketing, okay? It should be adding an extra 15 to 25% extra monthly revenue. I'm going to go over exactly how, why, and what softwares to use. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into this. If you're an e-com store in 2023 and you are looking to use the right email automation software, you should be using Klaviyo, and that is literally it. I don't care if you're on, Big Commerce or Big Cartel, get off those platforms, move to Shopify. It's the most scalable platform, most user-friendly platform, and the most recognized checkout to increase your conversion rates at checkout. Forget about WordPress, forget about all that bullshit that people use. Use Shopify, and then the Shopify partner email software is Klaviyo. And I have simple Klaviyo flows for a lot of clients. We have clients making over $100,000 a month, and their Klaviyos making anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000 a month extra. It is a no-brainer, okay? You cannot scale with email using all these other different softwares and trying to run the Shopify store or another platform. Like, Klaviyo wins day in and day out regardless. It just does. We've tried so many different softwares. We've tried Constant Contact. We've tried Active Campaign. They all suck for e-com. Klaviyo is the best one. You want to have X amount of flows. So I'm going to go over a couple right now. Number one is your welcome sequence. Okay, when somebody buys, when someone opts into your newsletter, when someone takes a coupon, you have to have 7 emails for 7 days, basically nurturing them and giving them offers and talking about your brand story and etc. to get them to buy or come back. Second thing is browse abandonment. So you're sending out all these emails. What if people click and don't buy off a clicked email? You can then bring them back in and throw them in a browse abandonment. Number 3 is your abandoned cart sequence. All the people who leave checkout and don't wind up buying, you need to be able to recoup them with a coupon code and a series of emails over a 24-hour period that get them to come back in the ecosystem and buy. The 4th sequence is customer win back. This is for customers who have bought and they haven't bought in 30 to 45 days. You need them to come back in and increase your lifetime value. So customer win back is going to be massive for you. And those are the 4 main email flows that I would be having if I was running my e-com store. We run these 4 email flows for our clients. If you are running an e-com store and you're not doing email, you're missing out a ton of revenue. If you want me and my team to run it for you, just click the Calendly link in the description. We can run all of that for you. And it's all performance-based. So now we move to the lead gen side. So if you're a coach, consultant, service provider, local business, and you're looking to basically optimize your email marketing, what softwares should you be using? Forget about MailChimp, forget about Constant Contact. You should be using Active Campaign. This is better for coaches, consultants, service providers, and lead gen businesses. You should be using Active Campaign. Has the best deliverability, best support. It is more expensive. So if you are being frugal with this, then you shouldn't be running email marketing in the first place. But we're just gonna go off the dome here and just suggest that you're looking to invest in your business, hopefully, okay? Active Campaign is gonna be the best thing for you. It's the most user-friendly platform. Like I said, has the best deliverability, has the best way to hook up domains, and their support team is really, really good. It has the best flows as well. Already preset. Your campaigns are easier to get out. It gives you winning templates already as well. And overall, it's easier to hook up to other platforms. If you're using ClickFunnels, if you're using Go High Level, these other platforms, if you're running lead gen ads, you need to be hooking up an email software that's dependable to those other automations. And you should be using, Zapier and Integromat to hook up to Active Campaign as well. So, just the automations, the flows, connecting the contacts across platforms, Active Campaign is going to be the best for you. And when you upload all your emails, it does segment spam. It does spam checks on your emails, gives you advice on how to get better clicks. Like, it's a very thorough, user-friendly platform. If you have less than 500 emails, then you could use MailChimp for now. Even though the deliverability is not that great on MailChimp, people just like it because it's cheaper. But if you're not a cheap business owner, get Active Campaign and start nurturing your list correctly. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. So if you're e-com, use Klaviyo. If you're lead gen, use Active Campaign. And I hope you guys enjoyed and got some value from this. Maybe you've been decisive or on the edge about using whatever email platform it is. Hope this was a video that set it home for you. So click this link in the first description there. If you're looking to run your SMA, I have a special discount on our 8 clients in 8 weeks program. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe as well, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.